Hello, everyone. We bring life to water and water to life. I am Kagiso Ubani, CEO of UBABiologix. The world is growing at unprecedented rates never seen before. All this to the detriment of the environment. We continue to extract our everyday use products out of the belly of the earth, using millions upon millions of liters of water, using millions and liters of water to do this. To put this to perspective, to dig up a hole this big, you would need to take an entire river Ohio. This is water coming out of mining operations. It is highly toxic with heavy metals, highly acidic, with toxin levels affecting decades to centuries. As this water continues to seep underground, it decimates and kills everything in its immediate vicinity. And this is a single example of a mine in Johannesburg. We have got tons and tons of such devastation worldwide. For such heavy using industries, governments have set regulations to encourage safe and mindfulness use of water. Let's take, for example, sulfate limit discharge. 250 parts per million, it is potable water standard. Anything less than 1,000 parts per million, it is irrigation standard. Despite all these efforts, some companies continue to dump toxic water into natural waterways, and maybe they do so because the current solutions provided are way too expensive to implement or just not sustainable. However, companies need not fear anymore. We are providing a solution, a biological treatment. Now this is our baby, our heart. We build this with our own hands. This is in a place called Emalahleni. It is in the coal fields of South Africa. This is the heart and soul of our business. So this is what we do. The essence of what we do is this. We have found a way to enhance naturally occurring microorganisms, that way increasing its capacity to reduce toxin. And this platform has allowed us to convert toxic water into safe, usable water. Our process is multi-staged, and this is how it goes. Stage 1, using biology, we remove toxins. Stage 2, water is filtered using a filtration method of sorts as it's clarified. Stage 3, water is further cleaned and then is released for discharge. We provide our solution in such a format. This is a containerized modular plant which we can come into any operations that uses bulk water, plug the system on, and start cleaning water immediately. We're operating in a market that is growing significantly, and because we have proven concept of our technology, we are now confident that we can move into our secondary market, which is municipal waste, which is municipal sewage waste, industrial waste, irrigation, recycle, reuse, and seawater desalination. This is what separates us from our competition. As our competitors provide their technologies at 4 and 6 million, ours come in at 1 to 2 million. The byproduct of our process, it is a safe to use by human, valuable product. As prior said, we are running our first ever flagship in South Africa for Anglo American. And this is a 300,000 contract where we're cleaning up to 250,000 liters of water a day. Additionally to that, we continue to have conversations with several other mining players, and these 3 are the ones that we are about to close deals with them. As a business-to-business company, this is how we make money. We provide our infrastructure at a once-off fee of $2 million. Additionally to that, we provide our bioreagent and our service at a cost. For investors, we stand to make $14 million out of a single mine if we look at the entire lifespan span. We're building our patent portfolio as we protect our intellectual property, and as such, we have filed provisionals. Our milestones are as such. For the first 5 to 6 months, we intend to file patents, recruit staff, set up our facility, and much later on in our process, we intend to produce a single strain that has got the capability of reducing more than 1 toxin all at a go. I'd like to introduce you to a very exciting team where we boost experiences from water engineering, molecular biology, geochemistry, and I myself, I have got 10 years experience in molecular cell biology space. I've got 5 years experience as a laboratory manager, and I've got business qualification. Our advisory board is our nerve of strength. They continue to support us in our endeavors. We're raising $3.5 million. As we open this round, we would like to invite you in this journey of ours as we turn water to life and life to water. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.